we look into the universe, it feels infinite, as if given enough time, enough technology, enough patience, we could eventually see everything that exists. But that is not true. There are places in the universe that exist right now, entire regions of space filled with stars and galaxies that we will never see. Not because they are hidden, and not because we are too early or too late, but because reality itself will not allow their light to reach us. No telescope will ever reveal them. No future discovery will bring them closer. Their stories are unfolding in total darkness, forever separated from us by the structure of space and time. The universe is vast beyond imagination. And yet, even within that vastness, there are places that are not just distant, but permanently unreachable. Everything we know about the universe arrives to us on a single messenger: light. Light is not just illumination, it is information. Every star, every galaxy, every distant explosion becomes real to us only when its light reaches Earth. And light, despite how fast it moves, has a limit. Nothing in the universe can travel faster. That limit creates a boundary, not a wall in space, but a horizon in time. The universe is expanding, space itself is stretching, carrying galaxies away from one another. Some of those galaxies are moving away so quickly that the light they emit can never overcome the expansion, pulling them farther apart. Their photons begin a journey toward us and never arrive. This is not because they are too far away. It is because the space between us and them is growing faster than light can cross it. Beyond this boundary, signals fail, information stops, cause and effect can no longer reach us. This boundary is known as the cosmic horizon, the edge of what light allows us to observe. It marks the limit of connection between us and the rest of reality. And the most unsettling part is this: those regions still exist. Stars are forming there, galaxies are evolving, time continues normally, the laws of physics still apply, but none of it will ever be known to us. No telescope will ever be large enough to see beyond this horizon. No future civilization will find a way around it. This is not a technological problem. It is a fundamental feature of the universe. The speed of light does not just limit how fast we can travel or communicate. It decides which parts of existence we are allowed to know at all. Everything beyond that boundary is real and forever unreachable. When we talk about the universe, we usually imagine everything that exists: all stars, all galaxies, all of space and time. But what we actually observe is something much smaller. What we see is only the observable universe. This is not the entire cosmos. It is only the region of space whose light has had enough time to reach us since the universe began. A sphere centered on Earth, not because we are special, but because light travels for a finite amount of time. Beyond this region, the universe does not end. It continues. There is no edge, no boundary, no wall where reality stops. Space extends farther than our sight, filled with regions that are completely real but permanently hidden from us. Their light has not reached us yet, and in many cases, never will. This is one of the strangest ideas in cosmology. The universe is not limited by what we can observe. It is limited by what physics allows us to receive. There may be galaxies beyond our observable horizon identical to our own. There may be regions where the night sky looks completely different. Entire cosmic structures could exist that we will never detect, not because they are small or faint, but because they are causally disconnected from us. They lie outside our cosmic conversation. The observable universe is not a map of everything. It is a snapshot, a partial view shaped by time, expansion, and the speed of light. What lies beyond is not speculation in the usual sense. It is a natural consequence of how the universe works. Space is larger than our access to it. We often think of exploration as something that expands forever. But here, exploration meets a quiet truth. Reality is bigger than what it allows us to witness. The universe does not reveal itself completely. It never has. The most unsettling part is not that some regions of the universe are already beyond our reach. It's that the universe is still slipping away. As time moves forward, the expansion of the universe accelerates. Space stretches faster and faster, carrying distant galaxies with it. Light that is traveling toward us today will eventually be stretched so thin that it fades into invisibility. One by one, galaxies cross the cosmic horizon. They do not disappear suddenly. They slowly dim. Their light redshifts, losing energy until it can no longer be detected. And once they cross that boundary, they are gone forever, not destroyed, not ended, just unreachable. In the far future, observers will see a very different universe than we do now. The rich tapestry of galaxies will thin. The night sky will grow quieter. Eventually, only our local group of galaxies will remain visible, surrounded by darkness. To future civilizations, the universe may appear small, empty, and static. The evidence of cosmic expansion itself may vanish from view. They will inherit less of the universe than we have. This means we live at a rare moment in cosmic history. A moment when the universe is still visible, when distant galaxies can still be seen, when the story of cosmic expansion is written across the sky. Time does not only create the universe, it also removes it from view. The universe is not revealing more of itself as time passes. It is slowly closing its doors. There are places that once could have been seen, places that can be seen now, and places that will never be seen at all. And as time moves forward, the universe we can know becomes smaller, even as the universe itself grows endlessly larger. That quiet loss may be one of the deepest mysteries of existence.